Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do another swirl on here. I'm going to show you my colors. I'm using some unicorn spit. And this is in a violet color, as you can see there. And I'm using Atelier Free Flow, Cobalt Turquoise Light. Using this little piggy in Cinnamon. One of my favorite colors here. Let's move these out. I'm using this little piggy in Twilight, and I'm mixing that with a little dragonfly glaze, and this is a full spectrum dragonfly glaze. And let me show you that color here. Whoops. I don't know what possessed me to mix these two, but it looked like an interesting a little interesting marriage there. So we have that color, and I have this here, and as soon as I find the paper that came with it, this is a color shift, and I cannot find the paper that gives the colors and where I got it from. But this is a beautiful, it's a beautiful color shift, and I'm going to use that in my painting also. And as soon as I find that, this is a T03. It has a green kind of shift to it, which I kind of like. And I'll put that down in my description below. And I do believe I'm going to use some gold cell activator in this, and possibly some white. And I am using this on a white pillow, and I'm going to use the Snowbound because all my friends in New York that are snowbound. There are lots of you there. And that's a Sherwin Color to Go paint. Interesting how that is, but I am going to pour right over this. I know to some that might look really pretty, but that's not what I was going for. So I am just going to pour a little right over this, and let's go with that one more time. So you can take a look at that. Okay, I think we're going to spin that out a little bit. Once more. Well, look at that. I like it. What do you think? I'll bring it down for a close-up. I like it. I really do. I actually love it. I love it. I love that. Look at those colors. Wow. Look at those colors. The leftovers from from that swirl, and then the newness of all of this. Wow. And here, look at that. Okay. I think we got ourselves a winner here. So I'm just gonna lift this up. And we'll check these colors out on something bigger and better. But I think we got ourselves a winner here. Get some of that paint off. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, everyone. If you're not, whoops. Let's back up a little bit over here. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would appreciate it. Please leave me a comment if you have, if you'd like to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I just want to remind you that next week is our Mardi Gras Bling It On Pourade. That's going to be Saturday, Sunday, and Fat Tuesday, March 1st. And you can see me at 6:45 p.m. and that's Eastern Time, and that would be 3:45 Pacific Time. Don't miss it. It's going to be a great event. Remember, that's February 26th, February 27th, and March 1st. Hope to see you then. Have a great week, everyone. Sorry I missed the live today, but I'm still doing my Mardi Gras painting for next week. So I'll see you then. Have a great week. Bye-bye, everyone. Be safe out there. Thank you for coming.